forward. Automated weather observation. Sky condition overcast at 1,400.
So we're going to have to get our departure clearance and void time on the ground.
Yeah. So we want to do a run up first.
Yeah, we'll do the run up for you.
Yeah.
That's a wise idea at this plane. We'll do the run up first.
Alright, so we'll go ahead and taxi to 32 out there. Quincy traffic, Apache 71 Victor taxiing runway 32 in the grass, Quincy.
Well, welcome aboard Apache 71 Victor, everybody. It is a Checkride Eve for Cliff here. Big day is tomorrow. So we'll see how well he does on the Mach. Mach number 2 today. Mach number 2.
Yeah, 2.0.
I thought 1.0 went pretty well, all things considered.
I'm glad you feel that way.
Yeah, I do. I do. You know, I wouldn't have signed the old IACRA form if I didn't, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's one thing. Did you go online? And,
Yep,
no, you
yep,
didn't?
signed
Okay.
it. Yep. I do need to give you a, I believe I need to give you a complex endorsement in your logbook. I think that's
Yes.
the only thing we gotta do.
Okay. Makes sense, being this is a complex
It
aircraft.
makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. So we're gonna do the full gamut. We'll do short soft field landings. This will of course be a short and soft field
Soft,
takeoff. Seeing as the runaway Quincy is still closed, and then we'll do some after we land at Albany and Ansel. On the return, we'll do VMC demo and single engine out maneuvering. Do some stalls and slow flight, and we'll see if we can fold a single engine approach into it somewhere.
Sounds good. Alright, so we're going to do our run up here. Brakes are set. Electric trim autopilot's off. Flight controls, what you need, sir. Lifts up, rights down. Rights up, left down. Backs up, and the rudders are free through the taxi. Alright, make sure coming up to best power. We're going to run up the left engine first, coming up to 1800 RPM. And here comes the moment of truth. Right mag.
Oh!
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Left mag. Alright, so with the right mag on, it only drops 50. The left mag's took giving us a little fit. Let's burn it out a little bit.
So to give you a little back story on this, everybody. The Apache here has a very finicky left engine. And there has just been a consistent pattern. When you start this baby up and you do a mag check, the mag drop is excessive and the roughness is worrisome. And on the last flight, no matter how many of these attempts at knocking the lead off the plugs we tried, we just couldn't overcome that excessive mag drop. So, but we think it was a timing issue. The timing now has been fixed, purportedly fixed, and so that issue now out of the way. We'll see if maybe there's just some excess lead on the plugs that we've got to knock off. And so what we're doing here is we take the RPM to 2200, and then we lean it out until we get about 100 RPM drop, and we just run it like this for about a minute. Pretty good way to knock the lead that has fouled the plugs off. So we'll see if this works. There we go, moment of truth.
Oh my god.
That's about a 200 RPM drop right there, right?
Look, we did this the other day. We flew it all the way to Apalachicola, Did another run up at Apalachicola, it was perfect. Flew back here, did another run up here, it was perfect.
I think I'm just bad luck. It's got to be me.
Is this sabotage? Is that what's going on?
It has got to be me.
Good Lord, come on.
Well, we'll try it again.
Yeah.
You know, on one of these flights, it took us 3 or 4 times, as I recall, to finally
24
get it to run right. Yeah, we're taking it up to 2,400 RPM right now. We're going to lean it out about 100 RPM. Well, let's try it again.
Good news is it'll probably be VFR by the time we get done with the run-up.
Yeah.
Woo. What in the... Oh, Robbie's gonna be mad.
Well, let's try it again. Let's go for 4.
There we go.
Uh-huh. Nice.
There we go.
4 times. 4 times.
Car feed's coming on.
Lilf was about ready to cancel his check ride.
Mm-hmm. Might want to get here early in the morning, I guess.
Yeah, I was about to say that this is not dispositive of what's going to happen tomorrow morning, but...
Apache, November 5571 Victor, Quincy, over.
71 Victor, go ahead.
You guys have to come back and refuel?
Yeah, we might if this left mag doesn't clear it up. It took 4 cycles to get it clear at 2,400 RPM.
Did you get it?
Finally.
Just wondered. I thought that might be out. A nice flight.
Thanks.
Ah. That's our dispatcher, Doug, right there. He's also the resident mechanic of the Apache here.
Air 71 Victor, you ready to copy?
Yes, sir.
Air 71 Victor, you're cleared to Albany Airport as filed. Upon entering controlled airspace, fly heading 360, maintain 3,000. Departure frequency 135.8, squawk 4271, and you are released for departure. Clearance void if not off in 10 minutes, and if not off in 10 minutes, just give ATC a call no later than 15 minutes from now and advise of intentions.
Roger. So cleared to Albany Airport as filed. Upon entering controlled airspace, heading of 360, maintain 3,000, 135.8, and 4271 on the squawk. We are released and void if we're not off the ground in 10 minutes.
And number 5571 Victor, readback is correct. We'll talk to you in a few minutes.
Roger, thank you. Gotta love technology.
There you go.
Quincy traffic, Apache 71 Victor, departing runway 32 in the grass, going to be departing to the north, Quincy. All right, fuel's on the mains, fuel pumps are on. Things up. All right, ready?
Here we go.
All right.
We're making power.
Tacks are up.
Instruments in the green.
Pressure's good. Everything's in the green. Looking for 80. Climbing 76.
Now to positive rate.
Positive rate. Gear coming up. All right, we've cleared our obstacle. Climbing BY 100. Gears up. Turned our 360 heading.
Cleared ILS, runway 27 approach, contact tower 118.7, good day.
Cleared for the ILS 27, over to tower 118.7, 940 Tango, Mike, good day.
Let's set our cruise power here, flying power, 25. Let's approach Apache 5571 Victor.
Number 5571 Victor, Tallahassee departure, identity, altitude.
Ident, and we are climbing through 1,700 for 3,000 on a 360 heading.
Number 71 Victor, your radar contact 1 mile north of Quincy Airport. Clear direct Albany, maintain 3000.
Clear direct Albany, maintain 3000, 71 Victor.
And Albany is a desired track of 023. And we're climbing up to 3,000 feet.
Up to 3000, 023.
Yeah. Pitch up. There you go. Pitch up 10 degrees. Keep your eye on that attitude indicator. There you go.
Trying to get 120.
And there's 023. Stop the turn. Level the wings.
November 6 Bravo Mike, fly heading 130, descend and maintain 2000.
130 down to 2000, 6 Bravo
500
Mike.
feet to go.
Approach 6 Mako for planning purposes. Can I expect an initial approach fix for vectors?
Who's asking?
He's on 6 Mako.
Sierra 6 Lima Echo, fly heading 220, vectors to final.
20 Mako.
Hey,
Hey, look at that.
look at that, blue skies. 100 feet to go. There's 3000. We're gonna level off.
Albany Tower Information, India, 1753 Zulu, wind 340 at 8, visibility 10, ceiling 2100 overcast, temperature 11, dew point 6, altimeter 3005, ILS approach runway 5 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information, India.
433 Mike, you can expect that via vectors.
All right, ILS runway 5.
230, vectors to final.
Even though winds are 340 and 8.
Yeah.
November 6 Bravo Mike, contact tower 187, good day.
187, 6 Bravo Mike.
Sierra 6 Lima Echo, advise once you're established on localized.
Zero established 6 Mako.
Sierra 6 Lima Echo, 10 miles from the final approach fix, cleared ILS runway 27 approach, contact tower 118.7, maintain present speed.
Boy, that controller at Albany has been working there for as long as I've been flying.
Oh, really?
That woman, yeah.
Sierra 6 Lima Echo, you're
Very-
10
very nice
miles
woman.
from the final
Yeah.
approach fix, cleared ILS runway 27.
Because I've made all kinds of
maintain
mistakes
present
over the
speed.
years.
So 5 mile
Haven't we
final.
And she's never been that
Contact
hard
tower
on me.
18.7.
ILS 27, maintain.
Alright, so we can go ahead and brief this approach. It's ILS runway 5 into Southwest Georgia Regional, Albany. And localizer is 108.5, which once we put that procedure in there, it'll put it in there.
Yeah,
We can put it here in our backup if we want. Remember how to do that.
Oh, don't worry about that.
Alright.
I'll just continue the brief.
Alright, approach course can be 047, runway landing 6601, touchdown zone elevation 196. And one of these notes.
Bob heading
counts
0,
to
turn
us.
right heading 030, join the localizer.
This
advise
approach
once
is
you're
going to be
established.
climbed to 1000, then climbing left turn to 3000, direct PZD VOR, PME and hold.
And the final approach fix is Folka, and the glide slope intercept is 2,200 feet.
100 at Folka. So we can enter anywhere from 2200 to 4600, and they're going to assign us an altitude, I'm sure.
Yeah, there you go. Sounds good to me. And you may or may not lose an engine on the approach.
May or may not.
No.
Let's see here. What do you think they're going to do? Vectors, or do you think they're
so,
going to take us? We're
you know,
headed directly north.
So frankly, the way I like to load an approach is to pick it up from the initial approach fix.
We got Iuvo as an initial
Yeah,
approach.
let's do Iuvo. We'll pick it up from Iuvo. That's a nice one. And then the advantage of that is if you go to the flight plan page, go to the flight plan page.
Did I load it or activate it?
Just load it for now.
Tower 118.7,
And then,
good day.
there you go, enter. Go to flight plan page, and then you have all these waypoints in there, whereas if you were to do vectors, it would only give you the waypoints from the final approach fix forward. In this case, just push in on them. And now, big one. In this case, you've got, scroll on down. Keep scrolling. So you've got all the waypoints. So they happen to tell you
Mike, traffic, 10 o'clock.
clear direct AVEX, no problem, you got it. But if you loaded it with just vectors, you wouldn't have AVEX in there, so you'd have to go back and reload it anyway. That's the advantage of loading it from an initial fix.
Makes sense. Jack Center, Apache 5571 Victor with you, level at 3,000.
5571 Victor, Jack Center, Roger. Altimeter 3006. Information India is current Albany Airport. Expect the ILS for 5. Advise you got India.
We do have India and we'll expect the ILS for runway 5, 71 Victor.
Number 71 Victor, clear direct AVEX.
Clear direct AVEX, 71 Victor.
There you go.
381 climb maintain.
Beautiful.
5571 Victor, maintain 3,000 till AVEX. You cleared ILS runway 5 Albany.
Maintain 3,000 till AVEX, cleared ILS runway 5 into Albany, 71 Victor.
I'm sorry, number 71 Victor, maintain at or above 2,200 till AVEX, and you're clear the ILS runway 5.
At or above 2,200 till AVEX, cleared runway 5 ILS, 71 Victor. All right, so we could, got 7 miles out, 1,800 feet to drop, so...
Yeah, if I were you, I'd just start it right now.
Yeah. Go ahead and start a nice gentle descent.
Mike 584, Jack Center, Roger, going to maintain 11,000, Tallahassee, Simmer 3004.
Oh, this is going to be no fun. We're breaking out already.
Albany Tower, Apache 5571 Victor with you on the ILS runway 5.
5571 Victor, Albany Tower, runway 5, and cleared to land, wind 3406.
Clear to land, runway 5, 71 Victor.
Autopilot's doing all kinds of weird things. Just hand fly it.
All right, autopilot is off. All right, focus our final approach.
Oh,
fix.
you're going to lose an engine right here.
Oh, hey, look at
Don't you
that.
hate when that happens?
All right, so I got to maintain control of the aircraft.
Taxi via
Pitch
Charlie
blue behind.
and Alpha.
You're going to have to find that localizer course as well.
Yeah, quadrant full forward. There we go.
There you go.
Yeah, we're situated there.
There you go. Want to
Right,
and now you're in a descent. You want to maintain 2,200 feet.
Remember, Charlie Roll, that is a affirmative. Taxi
Flaps up, fuel pumps
Charlie and Echo.
on. Bags are
Now
on.
you're eking out a climb. Great. So yeah, get up at 2,200 feet. And just keep an eye on your localizer course. Final approach course is 047. 047. Yeah, we're looking for 2,200 feet. You're gonna need all the power you can get to 2,200.
Yeah, it took
It's
some
just
out
gonna
to
take
get
a
that
lot
turn there.
of aileron and rudder. At 2.7 miles to the final approach fix. Boy, this baby does not want to maintain altitude, does she?
No, sir.
Don't believe what you read in the POH, folks.
Yeah.
Because we're at 1,900 here, and we are barely maintaining altitude on one engine. Of course, it's a simulated engine failure, and so we have a windmilling propeller, which creates a lot of drag.
Guess I could pull that back just a little bit.
That's not going to have much impact. It's not going to do anything for you. Yeah, just keep it where it is. Yeah, but we're feathered. That will reduce the drag, but we're not going to feather this one. That wouldn't be any fun.
And we have hit the final approach fix. We're still below the glide slope a little bit.
I'll just maintain blue line. Pitch up a little bit. There you go.
Here we go.
There you go.
Glide slope. Things are starting to center up here.
Hey, give yourself a little space before you drop the gear. You're fine. Okay, want to do gear down now?
Yeah, gear coming down.
Here's 5 Charlie Bravo, contact Jacksonville Center.
Order Jax, 8 Charlie Bravo, have a good day.
Do the same.
Watch your rate of descent there. You're going to need some little nose-up trim, I think.
Alright, gears down, 3 greens, confirmed in the nose wheel. Cowling mirror.
And do your best not to go below the glide slope. 800 for 396.
Down to 396.
Looking good. I just imagine doing this in IMC.
Oh, man. 600, going down to 400. Going down to 400.
100 feet to go.
100 feet to go. There's 400.
All right, you're visual.
On visual. All right, let's get back over here, baby.
Oh yeah, like butter. On one engine, no less.
Yeah, man.
Let's go down Charlie.
That mother engine back up.
Yeah, sure. You got it. All you.
Hey, listen for your call sign. Endeavor 5134. Amend altitude. Maintain 17,000
It's pretty
traffic.
easy, folks. Don't talk unless you're called upon.
Over 99 Whiskey Echo. Jack's radio check. 99 Whiskey Echo. When you check in, say altitude you're climbing to. Climb maintain 17,000. Actually, climb maintain 13,000 for traffic. Altimeter altitude 3003.
He makes a very good point. That
5318 Victor. Contact.
the correct call is
approach,
altitude,
125.4.
climbing, or descending, target altitude. I hear too many people just get on and they say their current altitude, or they don't even say the altitude.
Yeah.
Tower 45 Jacksonville Center 134.334.3.
This guy's gotten very good. I remember when he was
the uniform at your last deployment. Try him on 34.
he was training
asking for a UHF, the one I
years
gave
ago.
earlier. They had no joy on.
Yeah.
and his voice would crack, and he was just very unsure of himself. And he sounded very much like I did when I was a new pilot talking on the radio.
Yeah.
Controllers are the same way, you know.
Here we go, back in it. I was having fun up here.
I have more fun in the clouds, to be honest with you.
See?
Yeah. Hey, you know, that's valuable time. That's actual time.
Moving.
I've got about 200 hours of actual time.
See?
No.
Nice. Yeah, it doesn't seem to phase you at all.
I mean, I just
Business as usual.
keep my eye on the attitude indicator. Really, that's it. Looks good to me. How about some steep turns?
All right.
And of course, we'll make these commercial calibers, so
Okay.
about 50 degrees or so.
Do the first one to the right. And back to the left. 4200, 130.
Yeehaw! That's how you know you did it right. Feel your own wake. 40, right. Kind of blew through it there, but... So in a case like that, he might ask you just to show him again, you know what I mean? Yeah. Let's try that again. Show me again. I'll just act like a DPE. Show me again, one to the left. Show me your left steep turn again.
Alright, left steep turn, here we go.
Okay, so go ahead and go back to a level flight at, above blue line. How about that?
Alright.
And then set up for a power off stall. Stall the landing configuration.
Alright.
Let's see, the gear is already down, the flaps are already down, so you've got to configure.
Got to get the flaps up, though. What, you said landing configuration?
Yeah, right,
okay.
exactly. It's power off. Power off stall.
All right,
yep.
gotcha.
And you want to establish a 500 foot per minute vertical descent at your approach airspeed, which is 100, right?
95.
100. And then when you're ready, power to idle and pitch up. You're never going to hit 95 unless you apply some power. Give it 15 inches. Get that descent going on, 500 per minute down.
There we go.
There you go, power to idle, pitch up. Oh, right rudder. Right rudder, there you go.
There's the buffet.
There she goes,
There's
lower the nose, full power. Establish a decent airspeed so you don't enter a secondary stall.
Yep, there's
and
90.
climb out of it. Climb out of blue line. When you establish a positive rate, here it comes up.
Here's coming up.
And the flaps can be retracted. Little sink there. There you go. There's a power off, so how about a power on, which is a stall and takeoff configuration.
Yep.
So flaps up, gear up.
Flaps up,
and then you're just going to slow down to your rotation speed of 80 and full power pitch up. Actually, you know what? Strike the full power. 20 inches of manifold pressure is all you need.
Full power will be climbing like a monster.
Yeah, that's right.
Gotcha. All right, 80.
20 inches and pitch up.
Here's the stall.
There you go, lower the nose, full power. Reasonable airspeed, establish a positive rate of climb. And the maneuver is complete. There's a power on. How about an accelerated stall?
Accelerated stall.
Do that?
Yep. Back to 80 or 90.
Yeah, 90, enter it at 90, yep. This examiner in particular gets really freaked out if you enter it any faster than 90.
Yeah.
It just becomes a very aggressive maneuver because you have to pull back so far.
Yeah.
If you enter it at a higher airspeed.
All right, there's 90.
Okay, there you go.
Getting angry.
Roll wings level. Great. Perfect. Sounds good. And take your time on entering the turn. You don't need to be dramatic with the rate of bank as you enter it.
Gotcha.
Sounds good. Let's see. What have we not done? Oh, a VMC demo is what we have not done.
VMC.
This is the most exciting part. I won't say anything. You set it up.
All right. So we're going to do a VMC demo. So we're going to slow down to 10 miles an hour over VMC.
Over blue line.
Over blue line, which is 95. So we're going to go to 105. There's 105.
And we'll do this at 5,000 feet. That's great. Perfect.
There's 105. All right, I'm going to pull my left motor. All right, pitch up, full power on the right.
And we're looking for the first loss of directional control.
First loss of directional control, which is right there.
Okay, lower the nose. Reduce power on the good end. Woo, hey, that's a little dramatic. All right, let's try that again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't forget to reduce power on the operating engine.
Yeah,
right.
All right, there's 105. I'll pull my left engine. Full power on my right, pitch up. Looking for loss of directional control.
There it is.
There it is.
And we're going to seek to regain blue line.
Blue line, that's right. Blue line.
There you go. Great maneuver complete. Now, you know you don't need to pull the operating engine all the way back. You just reduce power.
Okay.
Great. You got it.
One more time.
Oh, one more time. Sounds good to me.
Alright, we're going to do our VMC demo. We're going to slow down to 10 miles an hour over blue line, which in this aircraft is 105. Alright, there's 105, that's level flight. I'm going to pull my left engine back, pitch up, full power on the right. Looking for loss of directional control.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Lower the
Pitch
nose,
down,
reduce
full power
power.
back.
Looking for blue line.
Here comes blue line. Maneuver is complete.
Maneuver complete. Beautiful.
Power back.
You got it. That was great. That was your best yet. I think you got it. I'm glad we're doing this flight. It's a good little refresher.
Come here. All right, you want to run through the restart procedure with me real quick?
Grab your checklist. It should be on the back of the checklist, right?
On engine and flight. Try restart. Fuel on the cross feed. Fuel pump on. Extra prop throttle. Master max.
So the first thing you ought to do is attempt an air start.
Yeah.
So it's going to be feathered, right? So we have to get it out of feather. So you move it out of the feather D10.
Yeah.
And you would hope that you would get it windmilling again.
Yeah.
And then it just
you
becomes
put it
a
about,
function of...
You put it about where you would be in cruise configuration.
Yeah, right. Then of course when it catches, you want to have your hand on the throttle.
Bring it back slowly.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we go.
Hey, all right, we got it.
Oh, you're feeling it now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got an engine out, so maintain control, which I am. Things going full forward here. All right, gears up, flaps are up, fuel pumps are on. Maintain altitude, get the blue line.
Good job.
There we go, holding altitude there. And that puts us right at blue line. All right, so we're going to dead foot, dead engine. So we've identified the right engine is out. We're going to
go ahead, do it for real.
And yeah,
it's dead, isn't it?
It's dead, deader than a doornail.
Okay.
So we're going to feather the prop. Coming back.
There you go. Woohoo! Look at that.
Prop is feathered. There it is.
There she is. That is one feathered prop right there.
Yes, it is.
So how are we doing in the airspeed department?
We're at 4,000 at 97 miles an hour. So we could actually climb.
We can eke out a little bit of a climb.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do at 95 here. All right, at 95. Yeah. Just creeping up just ever so slightly.
Document this. Yeah, that's not maybe you're doing 50 feet?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we're going to have to go back and look at that chart because that's kind of surprising. I don't think this airplane is making book.
No, I don't think so either.
No.
All right, so let's try a restart here.
Yeah. If you want to pick up a little, pick up a westerly heading.
All right.
We just don't want to go in Tallahassee's airspace, you know, when we attempt this thing. So.
All right.
Fuel is on. Fuel is on.
Right, yeah.
Fuel pumps are on, right?
Fuel pumps are on, yep.
Okay. Mixture can go full rich.
Mixture going full rich. Mixture rich. Prop.
Yeah, just put it back here about 4.
Up there.
Yeah, there you go.
Speed, prop, throttle, master, mags.
Mags are on, right? So that's good.
Mags are on. Master's on, obviously.
Now see if you can get a restart going. Might need to lose a little bit of altitude. Just put it into just a shallow descent.
Yep.
See what we can get going here. And yeah, throttle can go halfway. Go halfway in the throttle. Actually, put it full forward. If it catches, we'll just reduce it. You know. Go ahead, crank it. Engage the starter. Come on, baby. We know you can do it. Go ahead, keep cranking.
Windmilling now.
She's coming back, I think.
Yep, there we go.
What I did was I took the mixture out. It's almost damn near full lean and just kind of enriching from there. So
Gotcha.
Remember that.
All
All right, we're back in business.
Back in business. There we go. Final.
Watch your airspeed.
Quincy traffic, 71 Victor turning final runway 32, Quincy. Full flaps. Gears confirmed down. Flaps coming up. Flaps up. We'll go to the pumps. Quincy traffic Apache 71 Victor, clear runway 32, taxiing to the fuel pumps.
All right, mock check ride complete.